Let's step inside a modern cigarette factory, a place where automation rules and scale is everything. Here the air is thick with the hum of machinery, and every inch of space is dedicated to relentless production. This isn't just a workplace, it's a world engineered for efficiency, where every second counts and every movement is calculated. Here, 50,000 pounds of tobacco are processed daily, about the weight of 4 elephants. Imagine the sheer volume, mountains of leaves arriving in trucks, sorted, shredded, and prepared for their journey through the factory's labyrinth of machines. That mountain of leaf becomes 5 million cigarettes every single day. Each cigarette is identical, the result of a process so precise that even the smallest deviation is caught and corrected in real time. This isn't a hand-rolled operation, it's a high-speed, 90-step dance of machines. Every stage, from blending to rolling to packing, is choreographed with mechanical precision, ensuring consistency at a scale that's hard to imagine. One production line alone can crank out over 20,000 cigarettes an hour, more than 300 every minute. The speed is dizzying, and the machinery never seems to tire. The air thrums with the sound of motors and conveyors, all synchronized for relentless efficiency. It's a symphony of automation, where every gear and belt plays its part in the larger machine. Even a brief pause means thousands of products lost. Downtime is the enemy here, and every second of stoppage triggers a flurry of activity to get things moving again. The job here? Oversee the machines, keep the process flowing, and maintain precision at breakneck speed. Workers are more like conductors, guiding the orchestra of automation, ready to intervene at the slightest sign of trouble. The factory is a living organism of metal and code, built for one thing: mass production on a staggering scale. Every system is interconnected, every process monitored, all working together in perfect harmony. Forget the old image of hand-rolled cigarettes. This is industrial choreography. The artistry now lies in the engineering, in the seamless flow from raw material to finished product. We're about to see how a simple leaf becomes a global commodity in minutes. It's a transformation, powered by technology, driven by demand, and perfected by decades of innovation. Ready to see the transformation? Let's dive in and witness the journey from humble leaf to mass-produced cigarette, a process that's more than just a puff of smoke. It all starts with massive bales of dried tobacco leaves, sourced from farms and plantations around the world. These bales arrive at the factory after months of careful cultivation, harvesting, and curing. A journey that spans continents and climates. Each bale contains leaves, with unique flavors and aromas, shaped by the soil and weather where they grew. Once inside the factory, powerful machines break these dense bricks apart, fluffing the leaves and filling the air with that unmistakable, earthy, tobacco scent. The process is loud and mechanical, but it's the first step in transforming raw leaves into a refined product. Next, the leaves are conditioned in giant drums, tumbled with steam and water until they're soft, pliable, and ready for further processing. This step is crucial, as it revives the leaves after months of drying, making them easier to handle and blend. Throughout conditioning, temperature and humidity are controlled with precision. Sophisticated sensors and automated systems monitor every variable, ensuring each leaf is perfectly prepped for the next stage. Even the smallest fluctuation can affect the final product's quality. Now comes blending. Different tobaccos like Virginia, Burley, and Oriental are mixed in exact ratios. Each type brings its own character, and master blenders design recipes to achieve a specific taste, aroma, and burn rate. Computer-controlled hoppers release precise amounts onto a conveyor, creating a uniform blend. Automation ensures consistency, batch after batch, with every handful of tobacco identical to the last. This blend is the signature of each brand, a closely guarded formula that ensures every batch tastes the same, no matter where or when it's made. Consistency is everything. Smokers expect their brand to be identical every time. Quality control teams and automated systems constantly check for color, texture, and moisture, guaranteeing uniformity. The result? A homogeneous mix, perfectly blended and ready for transformation into cigarettes or other tobacco products. All of this happens without a single human hand touching the leaf. Modern factories rely on robotics and automation to maintain hygiene and efficiency. The first steps are complete. The tobacco is now ready for the next phase of its journey. The journey from raw leaf to finished product is just beginning. Each stage ahead will further refine and shape the tobacco. Let's see what happens next, as the tobacco continues its transformation into the familiar products found on store shelves. The blended tobacco heads to the cutting machines, giant, razor-sharp shredders. Leaves are sliced into fine, hair-like strands, controlled to a fraction of a millimeter. This fine cut ensures a smooth, even burn in every cigarette. The process is non-stop, tobacco in, fluffy rag out, all at high speed. Pneumatic tubes whisk the cut tobacco to the next stage, keeping everything contained and moving. Another round of drying and conditioning perfects the moisture level. Too dry, it burns too fast. Too wet, it won't light. The finished rag is stored in massive silos ready for the making machines. From bale to rag, it's all about precision and automation. Now, it's time for the main event, cigarette assembly. Here's where the magic happens. The cigarette making machine. Cut tobacco drops from silos onto a moving strip of cigarette paper. The machine forms a continuous tobacco rod, seals it, and sends it flying down the line at hundreds of meters per minute. A spinning blade slices the rod into individual cigarettes, over 300 every minute. Each white stick is checked by lasers and sensors for weight, density, and paper integrity. Imperfect cigarettes are instantly puffed off the line. Only flawless sticks move forward. The speed and precision are mind-blowing. Every cigarette is identical, cut and checked in a split second. This is industrial engineering at its finest. Next up, filters. Most cigarettes need a filter, and attaching them is a feat of automation. Filters are made from cellulose acetate, formed into rods and cut to size. The machine joins a double-length filter between two tobacco sticks, wraps them in tipping paper, and slices them apart, creating two finished cigarettes at once. This doubles the output and keeps the line moving fast. Finished cigarettes tumble onto conveyors for another round of inspection. Lasers and air jets check filter attachment and airflow. Any flaw? Instant rejection. Only perfect cigarettes make it to packaging. The process is unforgiving, but that's how consistency is guaranteed. Now, on to the packaging frenzy. Quality control is everywhere. Too fast for humans, so machines do the job. High-speed cameras, lasers, and sensors check every cigarette for defects, weight, and print errors. Real-time data feeds back to the machines, which self-correct instantly if trends appear. No human intervention needed. Automation keeps everything on spec. Faulty products are rejected before they pile up, saving time and material. Beyond the line, lab technicians test samples for burn rate, chemical makeup, and strength. Every aspect is measured and recorded. The goal: absolute consistency from first to last cigarette. Quality isn't checked at the end, it's built into every step. That's how millions of identical cigarettes are made day after day. After inspection, cigarettes head to the packaging hall, a blur of speed and precision. Here, the air hums with the sound of whirring machines and the rhythmic clatter of conveyor belts. The entire process is a carefully choreographed dance, where every second counts and every movement is optimized for efficiency. Sophisticated machines group cigarettes into neat bundles of 20, aligning them perfectly before sliding them into foil-lined packs. This step, which once required careful human hands, now happens in the blink of an eye, thanks to automation. The foil not only preserves freshness, but also gives each pack its signature crinkle when opened. Next, the packs are sealed tight, then swiftly wrapped in a protective layer of plastic. This ensures the cigarettes stay fresh and tamper-proof. The conveyor belts move at lightning speed, sending hundreds of finished packs down the line every single minute. 10 individual packs are then bundled together into cartons. Machines fold, fill, and seal these cartons with remarkable accuracy, preparing them for the next stage of their journey. In just one day, a single factory can produce a staggering 250,000 packs, amounting to 25,000 cartons. The scale of production is almost hard to imagine, with finished packs stacking up as far as the eye can see. Robotic arms equipped with scanners read barcodes, then carefully stack the cartons onto sturdy pallets. Once stacked, the pallets are tightly wrapped in plastic, securing them for the long journey ahead. Each pallet holds thousands of packs, all organized and shrink-wrapped, ready to be shipped to destinations around the world. The sheer volume is a testament to the relentless pace of production. Forklifts glide through the warehouse, whisking these massive pallets to storage areas where they await transport. The warehouse itself is a maze of stacked cartons, each one destined for a different market. Every step is automated, synchronized, and relentless, machines and robots working in perfect harmony, rarely pausing, always moving forward. From loose leaf to finished pack, it's a packaging frenzy, a marvel of modern engineering and logistics where speed and accuracy are everything. The journey is almost complete. Soon these packs will leave the factory, ready to begin their next chapter in the world beyond. From raw leaf to sealed carton, the cigarette's journey is a marvel of automation. 50,000 pounds of tobacco become 5 million cigarettes daily, thanks to 90 steps of relentless engineering. Machines break down, blend, cut, and assemble with unmatched speed and precision. Quality control is built into every stage. Lasers, cameras, and sensors ensure perfection. Packaging machines bundle, wrap, and stack at dizzying rates. Robots handle the heavy lifting, sending pallets out to the world. Whether you approve or not, the process is a showcase of industrial ingenuity. It's a hidden world where machines do the dirty work. Fast, precise, and on a massive scale. The next time you see a cigarette pack, remember the journey behind it. That's the story of the modern cigarette factory.